In this video, we will enable Onesignal notifications for the Jhoom app. Now visit the Firebase project dashboard and in the sidebar click on Settings icon and then select Project Settings. Now click on the Service Accounts tab. Now scroll down and click on Generate New Private Key button. Then a dialog will appear and then click on Generate Key button. This will download a file. We need to upload this file on Onesignal to enable Onesignal notifications for the Jhoom app. Now on the New tab search for Onesignal. Now click on the first link. Now you will need to create an account on the Onesignal. You can choose any method to create account. After creating account, you will need to select the plan. Select the free $0 monthly plan. Now enter your personal details and select the options shown in the video. Now enter your organization or company details and add your website if you have, and select the options shown in the video. After that, click on Continue. Now open the Onesignal dashboard and click on New App or Website button. Now enter your desired app name, then select the organization you have created. Now select Google Android, FCM, then click on Configure Your Platform button. Now we will have to upload the key file we have downloaded from the Firebase dashboard. Click on Choose File, the drop, or choose the downloaded key file. Now click on Save and Continue button. Now select the Flutter platform, then click on Save and Continue. Now we have successfully registered the app. So now we will add the app ID in the project, so copy the app ID. Then go to the project in VS Code. Navigate to the libcore constants. Then open the app_scripts.dart file. Now you will see a field named Onesignal app ID. Paste and replace the copied Onesignal app ID here with your app ID. You have successfully configured Onesignal for the notification in the app. Now you can send and receive notifications in the app. Thanks for watching.